I just got my Magnum line and I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble. I've got my hardware here and I've got my blinds. In your white hardware box you'll find 3 magnetic brackets. The first 2 look like this. Slide it down, easy to assemble, click and you're ready to go. Once you've assembled your first bracket, you're going to attach it to your window blind. All you need to do now is attach the rest of your brackets and you're ready to go. Now you can see all 3 magnetic brackets and it's time to put it on the door. Pull your shade down all the way and place on your door. Voila! And the best part, it's easily removed for cleaning. Well, that was quick and easy. We don't want to take more of your time. If you've got a steel door, get yourself a Magnum line.